Hi guys, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making this delicious sweet potato pie. The ingredients you will need is sweet potatoes, nutmeg, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, butter, milk, salt, eggs, lemon extract, and one unbaked pie shell. Now let's start getting our ingredients added. Sugar, butter, milk, vanilla extract, lemon extract, nutmeg and cinnamon, salt, and we're going to give that a mix. Now it's time to get your eggs added and mixed in. Now it's time to get our sweet potatoes added into the mixture. And we're going to get that mixed in well. And now it's time to get our mixture added into our unbaked pie shell. And just get that smoothed out. And get that baked at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Drop temperature down to 350 and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And this is what your pie should look like once it's completely cooled. It looks yummy, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a happy Thanksgiving.